start? So it's your first class of the book, lesson 1.1. Place, value, and patterns. We have finished with the vocabulary builder and the review in our last class. And today we are going to start. So page 5, those girls who don't have their books, please write page 5. Okay, and write lesson 1.1, place, value, and pattern. Rest of the girls.
What is the date for today?
It's 5th September, 5/9, of course, 2021. Never forget to write dates daily, even if I've not completed my lesson, you need to write date from where I'm starting. Make a habit from day 1, girls. All right?
Miss,
So now here.
Miss, did you know this month is my birthday on Yom al-Watani?
Really? Let us discuss. Very good. Wish you all the best.
Thank
Now, here, how can you describe the relationship between place, value, positions? Girls, do you remember these? The large cube, do you remember these? 100, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. Do you remember this?
Yep.
Do you remember that if I say, so this one, 9 is ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. Every one, do you know this? Once, if I ask you the place of 4, you will say it's 400 because it is at hundreds place. All right. So similarly, this is like 1 block and this is 10 blocks. If I can make 10, but I cannot make 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. If you count them, these are tens. Like this, we have hundreds, but hundreds will be like 10 columns. These 10 tens will make hundreds. 10 tens will make 100. Like you will have 10 blocks. You will have like this 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Like you will have 10 tens. Like this one you will have 10 tens. Like this blocks, you will have like this 10 times, 10 tens, that will make 100. That's why I said 10 tens will make 100. Okay. Now, this is what you have, done in your last class with your teachers, with Ms. Bahia. Now,
Yeah, I remember.
Yes. Complete the comparison below to describe the relationship from one place value to the position to the next place value. So I'm going to ask you, ready to answer me, please? Okay.
Miss, I didn't understand.
Yes? Hello? Miral?
Miss, can I go bring water?
Okay, Miral, your voice is lagging. Please look onto the screen to understand further. Please. Miral, mute yourself and later I will get back to you because I cannot hear you, okay? Now, everyone, look at the long and compare to small. Diala, I have one. I have one here. See? When you see this small thing, I just have one. The long is the long one. This long one is how many times than to the small one? What do you think? How many long one, how many cubes you have? How many times when you compare to the small cube? Small cube, you have only one small cube. How many cubes you have in the next one? Once you have one small cube. In tens, how many you have?
I have 10.
Very good. You have? So the long is, girls, be careful. The long is 10 times as much as the small cube. The long is 10 times as much as the small cube. Did you get this, girls?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Give me a moment.
Yes.
Ten times. Did you write this 10 times? Did you write 10 times in the first one? A?
Wait, not yet.
Okay, please write it down. Next, look at the flat. This is the flat, girls. This is called the flat. This is called the flat one. Okay, what is it called? This is called flat. Look at the flat and compare it to long. This is 10. This is 1. So this is 100. 10 times 10 give me 100. The flat is 10 times 10 as the long.
Miss, did you call my name? Because I was
No, I did not call your name. Only thing what you must remember is 1. So this is nothing but 1 times 10s. This is nothing but 10 times 10. If this is 100, this is 100 times 10. What, girls? The best thing to explain is like, you know that this is 1, this is tens, and this is 100, and this is 1,000. Do you know this? This is ones, this is tens, this is 100, and this is 1,000. When you multiply 1 times 10 or 10 times 1, you get the 10. Multiply 10 everywhere. If I multiply 10, I get, I get hundreds. Like, if I multiply 1 to something, I get 10. If I multiply 10 times 10, I get 100. If I multiply 100 times 10, I get 1,000. Again, girls, this one, if I multiply to 10, what do I get? 1, if I multiply to 10, yes, you get this. You get this.
The same.
Yes. Now, this 10, if you multiply more to 10, what do you get? 100.
100.
This is what you get here now. This 100, again you multiply to 10, I get 1,000. So what is that you have observed? You have observed that every time I need to multiply with 10 to go to the next number, right?
Right.
Yes. Every
Miss,
time.
I don't understand.
Okay. Here, all right, just see here if you will get it. The long is 10 times. When you have a cube, how will you get the long? How will you get the long? When you multiply it with?
10
10.
1.
1, this is 1. How do you get 10? Multiply with 10.
By
Now
10.
I want next is 100. How do you get 100? Again, multiply with
by 10.
10. This is what the flat is 10 times as much as the long. The large cube is again 10 times.
1,000.
Yes. How do you get 1,000? How do you get 1,000?
100.
10 times as much as the flat.
100.
No. When you compare the cube with the flat, when you compare the cube with the flat, every time you need to multiply by 10. Yes, Miral?
Miss, I don't understand what the lesson.
Miral, you see one cube here, right?
Yes.
How do you get the tens? This is ones, this is 1. How do you get 10? By multiplying with? When you multiply this 1 to 10, you get a 10. Don't you think so?
But Miss, how did you get the 10? There's just 2 cubes.
You know that I'm talking about the place value. Ones, tens, 100, and 1,000. I'm talking about this. I'm talking about this. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Miral, when you see here, how do you get this 10? Like you are playing with the blocks. When you take 10 together, 10 cubes together, you get a 10, right? You had 1 cube. Like that, how many cubes you need? You need times 10. Then only you will get 100. Again, you have a small cube, 1 cube with you. Okay? And you multiply with 10. You take 10 such cubes. You take 10 such cubes and attach them together. 10 such cubes. So that makes a tens. Now did you get it, Viral?
Yes.
Okay. Girls, even if you did not get it, just write it and I'll get it back later because you will understand more well when I'm teaching about the place value. Finish writing this?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay.
But I'm not done now.
Write that down.
So see,
Yeah.
this was ones, this was tens, this was 100, and this was 1,000. Every time I need to multiply with times 10. Yes. Now girls, when I want to get back, what am I doing? When I'm getting back, I am removing, like here, 1,000 to 100. What do you have to remove? You have to divide by 10, not multiply, because you need to get back 100 to 10. I need to divide by 10, like 100 over 10. So you get a 10. Simple, girls. Still, you will be confused. That's why just write here 1 over 10 and later I'll get back to the same thing at the end of the lesson. Just write here 1 over 10. Why it is 1 over 10? Because I am going from 1,000 to 100. From 1,000 to 100. From 100 to tens. Like that. And tens to ones. This is divide by 10. Divide by 10. Just finish this, girls.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Miss, I'm done.
Okay.
Do we go to the next page?
I'm not done. Miss, I'm not done.
Who's this?
Me. Diana.
Rihanna. The first 3, it's
No,
10, 10,
Diana.
10.
Diana.
Okay, Diana, last three is 1 over 10. Okay?
Yes, I finished.
No, she means Miral. Miral. Yeah, Miral.
Okay.
She's not done.
Miss, خلاص I'm done.
Okay. Simple, girls. When the word comes times, what do? You just increase one more 0. 10 times 10 is 100. Girls, here what will you do? Because they said 10 times. Simple, you write 7 and 2 zeros. Why 2 zeros? Because you are doing times 10. 1 0 here and 1 0 here. Again, those who don't get it, I'm erasing and I'll explain again, please. Everyone, look onto the screen. Let me complete and I'll get back to you. It's written here 10 times. It's written here 10 times. That means I need to do times 10. Times 10. Times 10. Because it is written 10 times. When I do 10 times 10, I get 100. 70 times 10, I get 700. 9,000 times 10, I get 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3 were here and 1 is here. 4. That is 90,000.
It's 90,000.
Did you understand this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Please let me know who did not get this.
No, I understand. Wait, Miss,
Miss, I didn't get it.
understand.
Who's
Miss,
this?
I don't get it.
Miral?
Yes.
Miral, do you know what is 10 times 10? The answer?
Yes.
What is it?
1,000?
No, this is why you did not get it. You just write 1 times 1 is 1. How many zeros you see?
2.
So you just write 2 and you get 100. Now did you get it?
Yes.
Now again, I'm going to erase it and write it again for you, Miral. Miral. Now, as I told you just now, 10 times 10. Why I'm doing to 10? Because it's written here, time 10, 100. Okay, Miral. Tell me what is 70 times 10?
All of them are adding zeros. 1 0.
I will write 7. And how many zeros, Miral? This is the question.
2.
Yes. Now, Miral, because I have to do time 10, I will just write 9. And how many zeros?
4. 4.
Very good, Miral. Now, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Because this was times, I did like this. Now, you can, if you want, girls, you can write this like this here, so that later you get it. If you have copied, it's good. 10 times 10. Those who don't understand well, they can write the whole thing. 70 times 10, it's 700. 9,000 times 10, it's 90,000. Okay? Now, what is the number here?
I know.
10 over 10 equals 1. Just remove 0, girls. In division, just remove 1 0. 70 over 10, your answer is 7. Just remove 1 0. In divide, in over 10, just remove 1 0. When you remove 1 0, what is it? 900. Just remove a 0. When you remove a 0, you get 1 here. When you remove a 0, you get 7 here. When you remove 1 0, you get 900 here. This is why you divide. Why did I remove 1 0? Because it is 1 over 10. If it was 1 over 100, I would remove 2 zeros like that. Got it?
Yeah, Miss. Miss, can I just copy it?
Sure.
Miss, I'm done. I wrote it on in a notebook.
Good.
Miss, I'm not done.
Finish it, girls.
Miss, I'm done, but I have a question.
This is for it today. I will not go to next page. Please. Okay, how do you get 300, girls? 10 times what is 300? 30. Because I will get 300 when I add 0 to 3. And how do you get 3,300 when divided with increased number?
Miss, I have a question.
Sorry. It is 3,000, not 30,000. Yes, please.
Miss,
Can you ask
I tell
your
you
question?
something?
Yes.
Miss, can you go to page 5?
Can I go to the
I'm
bathroom?
not done.
Teacher, can I go to the bathroom?
Sure, you can.
Miss, I have a question.
Yes, please, you can ask me a question.
Why do we hear just minus a 0?
Okay.
Can you hear me? Why do we minus a 0?
Uh-huh.
See, there's here 10, we made it 1.
This is 70, we made it 7. And 9,000, we made it 900.
Yes, because I divided 10. Because I divided 10. When I divide by 10, you need to remove a 0 from the number. So 10 divided by 10 is 1. 70 over 10 removes a 0 and 7. 9,000 removes a 0 and it's 900.
Okay.
Because when you're dividing, the 0 is removed. When you're multiplying, 0 is added.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, girls. Have a great day. I
Yes.
will end my meeting. See you all tomorrow.
Miss Louise,
Wait.
Miss Wade, can I ask you something, please?
Okay.
Can you go to page 5?
Yes, tell me now. What should I do with
I'm
it?
not done. I'm not done.
Okay. You want me to write it again for you? Okay.
Okay.
Give me a second.
Miss, can I leave the class?
Yes, you can because you have another class with you.
Bye, Miss.
Bye. Bye, girls. Bye, girls. Have a great day. Girls, I need to go. Please, can I?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Miss. Bye.
Bye.